Welcome back to Lucky English. We are adding 50 new sentences to your collection today, focusing on professional and motivational language. Practice your listening and speaking with me now. Business and work communication. I need to finalize the contract. Please sign here on the dotted line. The company is expanding next quarter. We need to cut expenses. I'm asking for a raise. Could you track the shipment? I will submit my resignation. I'm preparing a client presentation. This is a high-priority project. We need to hire more staff. Legal and administrative needs. I need to fill out this application. I must renew my license. Where is the public notary? Please show me your ID. I need a proof of address. The document is legally binding. I have to pay a fine. I need to update my address on file. We need to seek legal advice. Do you have health insurance? Expressing probability. It might rain this afternoon. There is a small chance of success. It's highly improbable. We can assume that's true. What are the odds of that happening? It's a sure thing. I suppose so. It's definitely worth it. I doubt it will happen soon. Perhaps we should try again. Encouragement and motivation. Keep up the good work. You're doing great. Don't give up hope. You can achieve anything. Just keep going. Take it one step at a time. I believe in you. You're almost there. It's not the end of the world. Let's celebrate our success. Daily life logistics. I need to stop for gas. I left my wallet at home. I have to walk the dog. The traffic light is out of order. I need to switch off the lights. The doorbell is ringing. I have to pick up the mail. Is anyone home? The power went out. I need to buy a stamp. That brings us to a total of 475 useful sentences. Fantastic work. Keep practicing these phrases to sound more natural every day. We'll see you in the next lesson on Lucky English for Beginners.